Hola chicos, buenos días. Hoy vamos a ver más números, more numbers in Spanish. For this activity today, I need to also have pencils, a piece of paper, and the best attitude for this class, okay? Today we're gonna do another review of the numbers, so get ready for this. We're gonna start getting the basics, and then it's gonna escalate, and it's gonna be a little bit more difficult every time we advance, okay? So, you guys ready? Set, and let's go! So from del 0 al 100, from 0 to 100. So we already have numbers over here. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. So if you realize what I've done, I have divided numbers in groups of 10. So now you see the numbers from 10 to another 10, from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. And 100. There's a little trick that I want to teach you. So here's the trick. You're gonna say 20 más número to say the number. For example, 22. Which number is this one? Yes, you're right. It's 22. Look at the trick. 20 plus the number. Let's take a look for the trick in 30s, 40s, and 90s. Okay. 30 y plus the number, más el número. 33, which turns out to be the number, yes, 33. So 33. Just take a look at this really close. 22 is only one word. 33 is a three words, okay? Now we have 40 y más el número, plus the number. 46, which is, yes, 46. Then we have 90 y más el número, which is plus the number. We have 99. Muy bien. Those are the numbers that only form one word are the ones that are for 20. So if you take a look at this once again, 22 is the only number that is only one word. From 20 to 29, all those numbers are gonna be one worded. But from 30 and on, all the numbers are going to be three-word words. Okay? So I don't want to see something like this. 20 y uno. No! So if you have the vowel followed by the letter Y, you change it into I. So it becomes one word. 21. Just like here in 22. So now what I want you to do is I want you to take notes from this chart so it's easier for you to remember how to do these tricks, okay? I'm gonna give you 3 minutes to do that. Let's move on. We have some maracas. ¿Cuántas maracas hay? Hay una y dos maracas. ¿Cuántos sombreros hay? Hay un sombrero. Recuerda, remember, los números del 0 al 99 are very important because they make part of all the numbers that follow, which means that these numbers you're gonna use them from now on. We're gonna go with hundreds, okay? With the hundreds, I need you to be focused because there are a couple of rules that you guys need to learn. For instance, to learn a number from 100 to 999, we must first learn the ones ending in zeros, like which ones. So we have a trick. We have the number plus cientos. Okay, we're gonna see that right now. Number dos plus cientos. So we have 200, which means 200. Yes, you're right. Same here. Tres, the number, cientos, which is, yes, 300. Now we have cuatro cientos, which is the number 400. Very good. Here comes the these rules we have for these numbers. We have three numbers that are spelled differently. Those are 500, which is 500. I just say that you see that they do not say 500, right? They say 500. Now we have 700, which is also a different spelling, because if we were to put the number how siete is spelled, it will be 700, so you don't say it like that. You say 700. 800, and then we have 900, which is different than saying 900. Alright, so you guys are gonna have right now another 2 minutes to write this down, okay? Alright, you guys are ready now. The numbers from 101 to 199 start with ciento. So we have these numbers. So we have with ciento, uno, ciento, doce, and ciento noventa y nueve. Now, I want you to please write this down so you don't forget. Remember, these numbers start with ciento and then the other number goes. So ciento uno, ciento doce, and ciento noventa y nueve. You guys will have 2 more minutes to write this down, please. Remember, the trick is that ciento plus the number. Now, numbers from 201 to 999 are very easy. So we have 200, 300, 400, 500, and 900. So how do we say the number? It's very easy. So we have 201, 304, 415, 520, 999. Now, your task is you're gonna write the following numbers in a piece of paper and then check the answers. Okay? I'm gonna give you all 4 minutes to do that, okay? Guys, ready, set, go. Well, I hope you guys have done it already, because we're gonna correct this right now. So we have the numbers 950, 325, 783, 122, 433, 777, 225, 89, 643, 521. Right now, what is going to happen is that you guys are going to start working on a worksheet that Miss Lavia or whoever is covering is going to give you right now. Your job is to finish that worksheet for the rest of the class. It's going to be about the numbers that we have just talked about. The ones that we talked about yesterday and the ones that we're talking about today. You guys will have to hand in that worksheet today before you leave, okay? So, guys, have a great day. See you guys soon.